Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Living Uniquely with myself, Sharon Brown. I hope you are all doing well on this Wednesday morning. So I am coming in today to clear anything that is stopping you from receiving and opening up to infinite possibilities. So on Monday, I know it wasn't on yesterday, on Monday we were working with the Hummingbird, and it was all about miracles and opening ourselves up to infinite possibilities. So that would have brought up an awful lot of stuff like fear, doubt, a load of stuff that would be coming up for you. So really what I'm doing now is going in and we're going to ask ourselves the question to really connect in deep and see what that block is. And we'll go in deep and clear that. And tomorrow we will bring in the energy of the super full moon, the rare blue moon that will be full tomorrow night. So we will bring in that energy tomorrow, and we will anchor in something that you want to bring into fruition in the next 6 months. So that's what we'll do tomorrow. But today we're just clearing any blocks that's stopping you from really harnessing those infinite possibilities, whether it's fear, doubt, whatever it is that is stopping you, that is holding you back from really opening up and aligning to what is ready and what is there for you. So I'm going to ask you to take a deep breath in. So calling all your energy back from people, places, situations, time and space. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light, we're going to unhook and unleash from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light, unhooking and unleashing from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light, unhooking and unleashing from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And just allowing your energy to fully drop into you. So allowing you drop in to you. So all the way into you, your I am presence. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. Acknowledge how you're feeling, not wanting to change anything, and letting go of that energy of expectation, whether it's yours or somebody else's. Just dropping that energy of expectation and breathe out. Bring your awareness to your heart, and as you bring your awareness to your heart, visualize 3 big golden roots coming out of your heart chakra, into your solar plex, into your navel, your sacral, your root, your hips, your legs, your feet, the floor, right down into your earth star chakra, through the dolphin matrix, into that inner cities, right down into that whale matrix, and dropping into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling your energy and Mother Earth's energy combining as one, and feeling this energy move up into your whale, your inner city, your dolphin, into your earth star chakra, pulling your earth star chakra all the way down, right down into that center of the crystalline grid, all the way down, allowing you to fully anchor that energy into your rightful place, feeling your roots wrap around the crystalline grid, fully anchoring in your energy, And feeling this energy now move up into your feet, your root and your heart. Doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Feeling your energy, Mother Earth's energy and Father Sky's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy into your heart. Now I'm calling in the energy from Source, pure unconditional love of the highest vibration, dropping right down into your stellar gateway, clearing anything that's stopping you from having divine connection. Into your soul star chakra so you can see, sense and feel your true soul's path, and allowing that to fully illuminate in front of you. Into your causal chakra so your intuition could be fully heightened. Into the crown of your head so you can think more clearly. Into your third eye so you can see more clearly. Into your ear chakra so you can hear divine guidance. Into your throat chakra so you can speak your truth with pure love and light. Into the higher heart, connecting into that universal energy of 5D and allowing you to anchor that within your life and body. Into your heart so you can love you. You can see you. You can see your beauty inside and out. Into your solar plex so you can unleash your true divine masculine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body. And remember and reawakening and fully accepting yourself no matter what. Into your navel chakra so you can connect into that universal energy of oneness, oneness to all, connection to all, and allowing you to anchor that within. Into your sacral chakra so you can unleash your true divine feminine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body and fully accepting yourself no matter what. Into your root chakra so you can bring in the abundance of life and all life has to offer. Into your hips, your legs and your feet so you can take any necessary steps forward, right down into your Earth Star chakra and into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root and your heart, doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Feeling your energy, Mother Earth's energy and Father Sky's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy move to every part of your body, every part of your being, allowing you drop right down into that stillness, into that oneness, into that 0 point, where nobody needs anything from you, nobody wants anything from you. This is your time and your space. So just allowing yourself to fully drop into the here and the now. And I want you to ask yourself this question. What is stopping you from fully opening up to infinite possibilities? First answer that comes into your head. And where are you storing it in your body? Why is it stopping you from fully opening up? What's behind it? Go with the answers you're getting. Just allowing yourself to receive the answers. Now we're just going to go in and clear that. The hummingbird is in. On your right hand shoulder. This old belief, we're dropping these old beliefs. Kunana siya mandata siya patana nakate. So freeing yourself, kanana yamatu, like giving yourself that permission to be your unique self. Giving yourself that permission to let go these old beliefs. Kunono yamanati siya patanana. Omononoya mananaya mananaya niya mananaya nanaya mananaya patodonya patu. Clearing it from the cellular memory, kunyapata, releasing it from the timeline, kunonoya, dropping the timeline, kunonotia, pisiapatononokatia, tatsuye, kunanamayamanokotia. Cancel, clear, delete, destroy from all time and space, multi-dimensionally to all timelines. Kunonosiapatana, past, present, and future. Kunonotiapatiapasiapatana nakatia, tiapatana nokatia, patana nakatia, tesiapa. Yeah, no, yeah, man, yeah, boy, yeah, pretty mau, what to do? Yap, that. Yap, de. Yep, na yeah. No yeah. The do ne na mayama do lele piamote ye. I want you to feel into your body and just see if that's gone. Nyapia siapatana nakatole eke nyatala akia siapatana nakatea siapatana kulalen. I'm being told it is gone. Kunono siapatala sike soye matala ki katase. So just spinning your chakras 3 times to the right, kunono siapatana, 3 times left, kanasa su ye. And 3 times to the right again, kananasia patana nakotolo okia, sonono katala akeya, sele noye, tata, su ye, nata. Just going to ask you to cross your hands over your knees and fully anchor that energy in, and just slowly bring yourself back. Whoa, that was quite deep. Slowly bring yourself back. Some of you might have to redo that again if the belief pops in again, and just allowing yourself. So what happens is we store it in our body, in the cellular memory. So every time we try to open up to that infinite possibility, it just shuts down. And that's just that belief system. So that belief is gone now. So just allowing yourself to really anchor that in. And remember, we can have anything we want once we put our mind to it. So it's really is time to look at what you want over the next, what is it, October, November, December, 3 months of this year. Actually, sorry, 4 months of this year. I was forgetting September. So what you really want to bring in. So thanks Maya, thanks Myra. So and of course, if you would like to work with me on a one-to-one basis, please DM me. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching the replay. And remember, you are the most important person in your life. So stay in your own lane. Have a magical day, guys. And tomorrow we'll bringing in that full moon energy and really anchoring in what we want to bring in for the next 4 months. Have a magical day, guys. Talk to you all again tomorrow. Take care. Bye.